In this video, I'll show you how to find 1xbet promo code. This is easy. Subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful. So if you are searching for a promo code to use, this is what you should do. The first thing you have to do is to click on registration and then choose the third option that says by email. This is the only option that your promo code is going to work in. So this is an easy tutorial. So here you're going to fill in your surname and your name correctly. Then go ahead and choose your country from where you are from. So for instance, you can choose your country. If it's Canada, you choose Canada. And then your currency is going to change to Canadian dollar. Fill in your date of birth. Once you fill in your date of birth, you're going to go ahead and click on your valid email address. So add a valid email address and then put in your password. To create a password, you're going to follow these 4 requirements. Once that's done, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit 100 Canadian dollar, you're going to receive 300 as bonus deposit. So once that's done, click on these 3 boxes and then register your account. After registering your account, complete your first deposit immediately. And that's how to find 1xbet promo code. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.